I've got some exciting news from the world of space tech. So there's this cool startup called Expo Systems that just raised a massive $70 million in Series B funding. Yeah, you heard that right, $70 million. So what's the deal with Expo Systems? Well, they're a space technology startup based in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and they specialize in solid rocket motors and small launch vehicles. They announced this big investment round on July 10th, led by the venture capital firm Razor's Edge. But it's not just Razor's Edge, we're talking about big names like Lockheed Martin Ventures, Boeing Ventures, Crosslink Capital, and Balerian Space Ventures also jumping in. Expo has been around since 2016, and they've really made a name for themselves in the solid rocket motor market. What makes them so special? They're using 3D printing technology to produce their motors and propellants, which is a huge deal because it cuts down production time and costs significantly compared to the old school methods. With this fresh $70 million, they're all set to ramp up production and complete a massive new manufacturing facility in Luling, Texas. Jason Hundley, the CEO and founder of Expo, mentioned that this new investment is going to help them meet some critical industrial and defense needs. Plus, he's super grateful for all the support from their investors and industrial partners. And get this, Expo isn't just hanging out in New Mexico. They've got operations in California, Arizona, Alabama, Colorado, Texas, Maryland, Utah, and even Washington, D.C. They're really spreading their wings. So why is this such a big deal? Well, there's been a surge in demand for solid rocket motors lately, especially with the U.S. military worried about relying too much on a shrinking number of domestic suppliers. These motors are crucial for hypersonic weapons, as well as conventional and nuclear missiles. And with the Ukraine conflict highlighting some big gaps in the solid rocket motor industrial base, Expo's innovative approach and planned expansion are coming at just the right time. Mark Spoto, co-founder and managing partner of Razor's Edge and an Expo board member, pointed out that Expo's fresh take on things and their expansion plans are directly addressing these critical needs. It's clear that Expo is stepping up to fill some important gaps. And let's not forget, big defense players like Lockheed Martin and Boeing are major customers of solid rocket motor suppliers. So with such significant backing, Expo is definitely a startup to keep an eye on. That's all for today's Space Tech Update. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in space and science news, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.